Yeah, this is Paul. Yeah, I'm sitting here waiting to get my constitutional rights enforced. Yeah, I had sent some emails this morning about 11, 12, probably 1,300 emails. Well, I had included screen prints, pictures of the Domestic Violence Protection Act. Yes, where actual notice and opportunity to be heard must be given to the respondent. Yes. And then the Violence Against Women's Act, where notice and opportunity must be protected so that the respondent can respond to any sort of court order involving the obstruction of my constitutional right to parent my sons. Yeah. And then the actual instruction form from the state of Washington. Then a screen print showing that notice and opportunity to be heard was not given when the protection order was issued on July 31st of 2015. So I included the protection, Domestic Violence Protection Act law in that email as an attachment. And I included the certified copy of the protection order. Yep. And the instructions on how to fill out the form. Yeah. The Washington State Constitution, Article number 3, that you cannot deprive a person of life, liberty, or property without due process. Yes. And I sent that to some lobbyists and some attorneys, some persons in law enforcement, thinking that I would be able to find out where are my missing sons and when they are going to remove the protection order that violates my rights and the rights of my sons. Yes. I am in full expectation that somebody's going to enforce the laws of the United States. Now, as I had included 6 videos that I made last night, I informed them that since they did not want to be involved in my life, I am now involved in theirs. Do you understand? Now, this morning, I'm reading You and the Law. Section 26, your right to due process of law. Your right to due process of law is even more important in protecting your personal freedom than it is in protecting your property rights. The courts have interpreted the Fifth Amendment guarantee that you shall not be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. In combination with the 14th Amendment guarantee of equal protection to give every American citizen a clear-cut and powerful group of rights if he should be accused of a crime. Now, when you understand due process of law, when the Domestic Violence Protection Act, the Violence Against Women's Act, and the instructions from the state of Washington say that the respondent has to be given notice and opportunity to be heard before you can issue a protection order, and you violated my due process rights approximately 16 times over the last 6 years, I'm going to want those laws enforced today. Now, I have involved every oath of office of the United States of America. Those that are lobbyists, those that are sheriffs, those that are police officers, those that are mandatory reporters that have to report missing and abducted children. Now, if law enforcement would enforce the constitutional rights of myself and my sons today, I would like to know, where are they?